In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Amazon gift card and send it by email in just a few quick and easy steps. First, let's start by heading over to Amazon.com. If you're already familiar with the platform, you might know your way around this. If not, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it all. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, look for the Sign In option. You'll find this at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll need to enter your email address. If you don't have an Amazon account yet, you might want to sign up. But for the sake of this video, let's assume you already have an account. After entering your email, click on Continue. Next, enter your password and hit the Sign In button. Now that you're logged in and on your Amazon dashboard, we're ready to shop. In the search bar at the top of the page, type in Amazon gift card and press enter. This will take you to a page with all the available gift card options. Look for the Amazon e-gift card and click on it. This option is perfect for sending gift cards via email. Once you've selected it, choose a design that you like. Amazon offers a variety of designs for different occasions. After selecting the design, you'll have to choose the gift amount. Amazon gives you some predefined choices, or you can enter a custom amount to suit your needs. Then select your preferred delivery method. This can be either an email or a text message. Today we're going to stick with sending it via email. Click on the email option and you'll see a field to enter the recipient's email address. Make sure you type the email address correctly so your gift doesn't get lost. You also have the option to add a personal message, which can make your gift more special, so don't hesitate to express your thoughts. Another neat thing is that you can choose a delivery date. This means your gift can arrive precisely when you want it to, whether it's for a birthday, an anniversary, or any special occasion. Additionally, click on Add to Cart if you plan to buy more items, or click Buy Now to proceed directly to checkout. At the checkout page, you'll need to enter your payment details if they're not already saved. After confirming your payment information, take a moment to review your order, check the email address and make sure everything looks good. If all is correct, go ahead and click Place Your Order to finalize the purchase. And there you have it. Your Amazon gift card will soon be on its way, making someone's day a little brighter. Thanks for watching and happy gifting.